Kumusta po ang iyong special day? Happy birthday! Mwah!
Ako po si Martin Rivera, greeting you on this very, very special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon and I hope you get all the blessings that you have been asking for. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything yet in life. May you always be happy.
And happy birthday to you, and I hope you have all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Greetings! Greetings from Manila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo! Hey, hey, hooray! 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 Tayo masaya, now it's your birthday! Hey!
Iyan o. Oh. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Papa!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lo. I miss you and I love you always. Always kayong mag-iingat dyan parati ni Lola. I am always grateful and thank you po. Especially sa bahay, ikaw yung naggawa. Thank you, alam mo na yan. Thankful ako parati sa iyo, sa inyo ni Lola. Ang like kong wish na sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mas mahabang buhay, good health, huwag pababayaan ng sarili, kumain kayo ng maayos parati. I'm always here para sa inyo ni Lola, hindi ko po kayo pababayaan and enjoy lang po and I hope to see you soon. I miss you all. I miss you, Lo. I miss you, La. God bless. Take care. I love you. Miss you.
Hi, Lola Rudy. Happy birthday all the way from American Samoa. I wish you nothing but the best, good health, and for many more years to come. Hopefully one day when I visit Philippines again, you get to meet my daughter. I have a 4-month-old daughter right now, and she is amazing. I'm not gonna make this video long. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Take care of yourself. I love you guys, and yeah, happy birthday again. Hope you're having a special day. Take care of yourself and see you again. Bye.
Hello. Manoy, happy birthday. Sana maugma ka sa ngunya na birthday mo. Sana maglawig pa ang buhay mo na mayo ning mga kamatian. Happy birthday. Ilang taong ka na, Manoy? Bawasan na ang mga sabi sa nanini. Bawasan na ang mga giti-giti kang birthday ko. Kaya sana maging okay na ilang kapos mga mamaray ang satuyang mga salon. Lumawig pa man ako sa tuyang buhay. Salamat. Happy birthday. At salamat sa mga makuapo mo. Naday ka na tiyos. Happy birthday ulit. Nanoy, nuwarin pala ang papasyon.